How to change password. Are you guys facing any to change password on Bitrue? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the password on Bitrue, first of all, open Bitrue app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options. Now just simply tap on the security center over here. After you click on security center, you will be forwarded to another interface where you will be able to see the option called password. Tap on it. Once you click on password, you need to write down the current password that you used before to log in into this account. Once you write down the current password, write down the new password. Make sure that no one can steal it or predict it easily. And don't use any kind of easy numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, re-enter your password. Once you write down the password, you'll be successfully changed the password on your Bitrue account. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to change your account password on Bitrue. Bye bye.